Hello crafty friends, it's Alicia of the Call Me Crafty YouTube channel, and in today's video it is time for another SheetLoad showcase. I will be sharing a look at all of the cards that my collaborators have made this month, so get ready to be inspired. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If this is your first time to my channel, I hope that by the end of this video, you'll be inspired to click on that subscribe button below and maybe even tap on that bell for notifications. If you're already a subscriber and regular viewer, welcome back. I'm so glad that you're here again. Each month, I like to stop by and showcase the cards that my collaborators have made for the month. This month's cards will be using the July 2020 SheetLoad of cards free printable. If you would like to download the free printable, I will link the debut video below. You can go and watch that and find out how to download it for free if you're a subscriber to my channel. If you would like to see how I made my first set this month, I will link that process video below as well, and it has a lot of good tips on how you can create your cards. Here in just a few seconds, I'm going to be sharing a slideshow with you of all of the beautiful eye candy. If you're interested in going to find out more about any of the cards featured, as always, all of my collaborators' links are in the description box below. Here we go. I hope you enjoyed getting to see all of those cards together. I know that each month I am so inspired when I make this video for you that I watch it a few times myself. Don't forget now to go visit the links in the description box below to get more details on those cards. Until my next video, I hope you're all having a crafty day. Bye-bye.